To draw a bucket, start with an ellipse or oval for the top. Then, draw lines slanting inward from the edges of the ellipse and connect them with a curved line at the bottom to form the bucket's body. Finally, add a circle for the bottom and a handle one. Draw the top. Begin by sketching a horizontal ellipse or oval, which will represent the top opening of the bucket. 2. Create the sides. Draw 2 lines that slant inward from the left and right edges of the ellipse. These lines will form the sides of the bucket. 3. Connect the bottom. Draw a curved line connecting the bottom ends of the 2 slanted lines. This curve will form the bottom of the bucket. 4. Add the base. Draw a circle inside the bottom curved line to create a solid base for the bucket. 5. Include the handle. Draw a small circle on one side of the bucket and attach a curved line to it. Then create a loop at the end of the curved line to represent the handle. 6. Optional details. You can add a liquid inside the bucket.